Welcome to the Villota family.
And today we are making marshmallow edible slime. So
make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the post
Notifications.
So we're gonna get everything we need.
3, 2, 1,
Go!
Okay. So we have everything here. 2 cups of marshmallows, 1/4 of coconut oil, and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. So we have to first put our marshmallows in.
Can I put it? I want to put it.
Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna dump all that in.
Let's do it first.
Next, we're gonna do 1/4 of coconut oil. Okay, you can put your coconut oil in.
Yeah.
Okay.
You
Because
can
I
scoop it all out.
think I'm going to get my sweetest.
Coconut oil is like so soft, it just goes out so quick.
Is that so quick?
Comment below what color
No,
would you choose
Can I mix
for
it up?
the food coloring. Okay, so now we're going to put the marshmallows in the microwave for 40 seconds. Make sure you keep an eye on it because it goes up fast. Go put these in the microwave. Like I said, for 40 seconds. Make sure you keep an eye because they get high and they might go up low. And put it in the microwave. Okay. We're back from microwaving, and now we're gonna mix it. The oil looks like it's water.
It looks like it's
oil.
Look, I got a lot of it.
Oh,
That would
it's
really
mixed
stick
together.
it out my sweet.
Stop.
Mine is.
If you haven't seen the making Play-Doh video, you should go watch that after this video. We make edible Play-Doh.
Mom, I tried it.
It has a taste.
Good.
It tastes good. I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
It's not bad.
Here, you try.
it's not
Here, you try again, and then I try again. Okay? Well, let's do one more thing.
At the end of this video, comment down below if it's a fail. Or is it-
Did we nail it or did we fail it?
Do you never feel like?
Okay, so we're done mixing right now. Okay. We're gonna add our powdered sugar.
Follow.
Okay, so 1/4 of powdered sugar we're going to add.
Can we do it?
Yeah. Okay, so then you're gonna have to mix it well. And then soon we're gonna have to get in with our hands.
I don't really want it there.
You're gonna have to. We're all gonna have to. Our hands are gonna get really messy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure it's up to this. Oh my gosh, I have no idea. It tastes good. It's like coming together. It's like slime, but like you can eat it and it tastes like so much more marshmallow. Okay, so we actually been mixing, and it haven't been becoming like, cause it's still sticky. We added like a cup more of. We're gonna add right now a cup more of powdered sugar, but before we do,
What do you do?
we have to add our colors. We forgot.
Oh, Mom, pass it. Pass it. Add it.
What color you want?
This one. Yellow.
What color you want me to? Or if Michaela has a color you want? She has blue. I'll say red. I'm going to choose green. I chose green the last time if you didn't watch
3, 2, 1.
the...
No, we have to wait for me.
Okay, ready? Now we can add.
Now, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. I'm only adding 4 drops because
I want mine to be really green. And Michaela is adding a lot. Okay, that's enough, girl. Oh my god.
I was just adding a little bit more.
And
Now it looks like blood.
My hands are
It looks like blood.
mine looks like
Oh. It's like
Kind
all watery.
oh, look at mine. It's not mine.
it looks like the ocean, Michaela.
Mine looks like the ocean.
Mine looks like green grass.
Mom, mine looks like
You can
grass.
add just like one more drop.
Mine looks like grass.
Okay, so now we're done mixing.
Now we can eat it.
No, we have to add our powdered sugar.
Can I do it? We have to. We go. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh, it looks like dust floating in the air.
Okay. 3, 2. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you didn't add.
We can add, now we can mix it with our hands. Go mix it with your hands.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Oh.
It's warm.
Yeah. And it's kind of watery.
If you mix it with the powdered sugar,
It won't be.
it becomes like,
Now look at me.
you have to knead it.
Woo!
Michaela, you keep eating it.
Woo! Now to wash my hands. Can you do like yours?
It's like slimy. Oh,
They're all blue.
it got look at the camera and smile. Kilo really wants. That's our dog. Kilo, if you guys haven't seen him, he just wants.
Eva is mine. This is mine. I make it like a necklace.
What?
Look, I make
He made a necklace.
Oh, bye.
No! If it falls, Kilo's gonna eat it. All of it. Well, I am a pizza. I am a pizza man. Pizza, 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 pizza. Pizza, pizza. Pizza man. I am a chef. I'm a chef pizza man. And you gotta take every dough and you gotta
look at mine. I'm a put pizza. I'm a put board.
yeah, pizza man.
No, I'm a treat. 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 I'm a fun.
Oh my.
Fun. I make a flower.
Yo, what is that?
Make a bowl. Make
If I
a
can make
bingo.
it. Taste test time.
I'm gonna make one that's a donut. Check
Hold
it
on, I'm gone. 1 minute.
out. I have a donut. Didn't come out as perfect.
I'm gonna make mine like a donut.
Okay.
So look at mine, guys.
2. It's time to eat it.
Okay.
3, 2,
3,
1.
Go.
Oh my god.
Pretty good.
It's really good. Michaela, unfortunately, I've been eating it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's really good. Really sugary.
You guys should try it out.
You
Yeah.
should.
You
Comment down
guys.
below what color you would do if you had to make this. Or if you wanted to. And if you're following the steps we've done,
Yeah,
just say it might get very messy. So wear some clothes that you don't really wear often. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications! So see you guys in the next